Hello, I'm Raynne Ong from OrangeTee AAG. If you're looking for a spacious home with expansive greenery and sea views, this might be the place for you. First, let's look at the location, because as I always say, you can renovate the interiors, but you can't control the exterior. This rare unit offers unparalleled views on two sides, and it's just a 4-minute walk to the new Katong Park MRT station on Thomson East Coast Line. From there, it'll be 2 stops from Gardens by the Bay, 4 stops to Shenton Way, and Orchard is a mere 17-minute ride away. Active lifestyle? You'll love the underpass right behind, giving you direct access to East Coast Park. A stone's throw to the OCBC Arena and Gardens by the Bay, you're in the heart of Singapore's increasingly exciting sports and entertainment hub. For drivers, seamless connectivity via ECP is just around the corner. Now let's take a look at the interiors of this amazing house. Enjoy some privacy with this warm and spacious hallway before entering this vast living and dining area, complete with stunning dual balcony views. It's the perfect setting for creating lasting memories with family and friends. This stunning, fully renovated 2,314 square foot residence is situated on the best deck, with spacious layout for 4 bedrooms offering comfort and luxury for your family. But owners have thoroughly renovated space in 2019, upgrading it from the standard unit. This unique deck not only lets you enjoy the cool sea breeze, but also offers unobstructed panoramic views from well-positioned balconies, perfect for relaxing at any time of the day. The balconies provide functional outdoor space that can also be enclosed with zip-track blinds, giving you the option to enclose or enjoy the open-air space. Next, this sexy kitchen marrying looks and function is where delicious meals are prepared. The adjoining yard includes a spacious helper's room, multi-purpose countertop, sink, and plenty of light. The owner has cleverly combined 2 common rooms into a spacious play and study area for siblings. This flexible space can easily be restored into 2 separate rooms with a simple partition wall or custom cabinetry. Even as individual rooms, each is large enough to fit a queen-size bed, wardrobe, and a study desk. The master and junior suites offer a rare sense of luxury and space, perfect for work, relaxation, and a good night's sleep. Imagine unwinding to this view after a long day. Peaceful, serene, and all yours. Homes like this don't come around very often. Ticking all the boxes: space, location, views, top-tier facilities. Come experience it for yourself. Call me, Raynne Ong from OrangeTee AAG.